In this guide, we're going over how you can play couch co-op or local co-op here in NBA 2K26. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, starting off on the main menu right here, you need to go ahead and just tab over to play now, and essentially once you're on play now, go ahead and enter it, and you're going to see an option for quick play on here. Go ahead and select this, and this is where you're going to want to connect multiple controllers. So essentially select multiple controllers. As you can see, I have one controller right here on the Dallas Mavericks, and then of course there's going to be another controller selected for the away team, which could of course be really any team, for example the Knicks. Essentially put one person on one side, or of course the other person on the other side, or even multiple people, whether it's a 2v2, 5v5, whatever it might be. Just select your sides, choose your players, and start the game. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.